Hello everyone! We often have busy mornings and need a breakfast that would be simple, fast in cooking and nutritious. I found that overnight oats is just the perfect idea for me. It requires a few minutes to prepare the night before and is ready to eat upcoming morning. Today I'll show you 3 ways of overnight oats with the different flavors and combinations. So let's get started. For the chocolate banana version you will need a half a cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, sliced banana and chopped walnuts, a quarter cup of hemp seeds, a quarter cup of plant-based yogurt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, a pinch of sea salt. To a jar we're gonna add all the ingredients except of banana and walnuts. We will need them for presentation later. Give it a good mix until everything combined. Refrigerate it at least 4 hours or ideally overnight, so this will thicken up very nicely. In the morning, if you have time, top with sliced bananas and walnuts. Also, here I'm adding hemp seeds and coco nibs for extra chocolatey flavor. And that's it, ready to eat! This recipe is loaded up on fiber. It helps to keep us fuller for longer and nourish our body with a bunch of vitamins and minerals. For the second, my favorite peanut butter berries version, I'm gonna use a half a cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of oat milk, a quarter cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, a third cup of frozen berries, a quarter cup of plant-based yogurt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of agave syrup. Again, to a jar we're gonna add all the ingredients except of almonds. Here I'm adding half of frozen berries now, and the rest I will leave for the topping. In this recipe I'm using oat milk, but any plant-based milk would taste just great. Give it a good stir, cover with the lid and refrigerate overnight. Come morning, it's ready to eat. If you have some extra time, top with more frozen or fresh berries, chopped almonds and hemp seeds. Drizzle with agave or maple syrup for extra sweetness. You can eat it for breakfast at home or grab to work. For the third kiwi and blueberry version I'm gonna use a half a cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of cashew milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a quarter cup of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, kiwi and blueberries for topping, a quarter cup of coconut yogurt, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Combine all the ingredients in a jar except of kiwi and blueberries, which are better to add right before you eat. Mix it very well, cover with the lid and refrigerate it overnight. Once it's thickened up overnight, then we're gonna top with sliced kiwi, blueberries and shredded coconut or coconut flakes. You are free to add any fruit and berries you enjoy. This breakfast thick and creamy and loaded with nutrients and fiber. I hope this video gave you some new breakfast ideas that will save you some time in the morning and will nourish your body with a wholesome breakfast. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!